How to set up TP Link RE650 range extender via WPS. First, plug in the extender into a power outlet next to your router, as close as is possible. All indicators light up, then turn off. And after 10 seconds, the power indicator starts blinking blue. Wait for it to stop blinking and start glowing back solid. Press big button with padlock icon on your extender. Then take your Wi-Fi router and find WPS button on its case. Press this button once and wait for connection. Once all 4 indicators on the extender are solid blue, it's up and running. Now you can relocate your extender. Plug it into a power outlet between your router and Wi-Fi dead zone. Wait for LEDs to light up and make sure the signal indicator around the WPS button is blue. If it's red, move your extender closer to your router. To connect a device to your extended network, open Wi-Fi settings and find the network which is named same as your Wi-Fi router's one but with EXT abbreviation added to the end. The password of your extended network is the same as your main router's one. To be able to manage your extender, install and open TP Link Tether application. Create a TP Link ID or log in to your existing TP Link account. Stay connected to your extended network and select your extender from the list. Create device administrator password. Then hit Next. And manage your extended network from the application. You're all set. Thanks for watching.